7 free and powerful AI tools in 2025 that can help you make money online. What if I tell you, you don't need money, skills, or experience to start earning online in 2025? These free AI tools are helping normal people make money every day, and most people still don't know them. Watch till the end, because tool number 7 can completely change your income. Tool number 1 is ChatGPT, free version. Imagine having a smart assistant that works 24 hours a day, never gets tired, never asks for salary, and can help you earn money online even if you have zero experience. That assistant is ChatGPT. In 2025, ChatGPT is not just a chatbot. It's a money-making machine if you know how to use it correctly. Most people use ChatGPT only to ask questions, but smart people use it to create income. Let me show you how. ChatGPT can write like a professional, think like a marketer, plan like a business coach, create content in seconds. And the best part? You can start for free using just your mobile phone. You don't need degree, experience, investment. All you need is internet plus creativity. 1. Make money with freelancing, even as a beginner. ChatGPT can help you become a freelancer overnight. You can offer services like blog writing, YouTube script writing, product descriptions, social media captions, email writing. We need to know how ChatGPT helps. You simply tell ChatGPT what the client wants, and it generates high-quality content in seconds. Example: write a YouTube script about passive income for beginners in simple English. Boom, content ready. You can sell this on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, or even through Instagram DM. Many beginners are earning $5 to $50 per task and scaling to hundreds per month. 2. Build a faceless YouTube channel using ChatGPT. You don't need to show your face. ChatGPT can write viral scripts, create hooks, structure long videos, write shorts content. This is perfect for financial education, motivational content, facts channels, storytelling. Combine it with AI voice and stock visuals, and you have a passive income machine. 3. Create and sell digital products. ChatGPT can help you create ebooks, guides, checklists, courses, Notion templates. Example: create a 30-page beginner guide on making money online. ChatGPT gives you the structure, content, and ideas. You can sell these on Gumroad, Etsy. 4. Affiliate marketing made easy. Affiliate marketing fails because people don't know what to write. ChatGPT solves this. It can write SEO blog posts, create review scripts, write email sequences, create Instagram captions. You promote products, and when someone buys, you earn commission. No product, no customer support, just smart content. You need to know important mistake to avoid. Don't copy and paste blindly. Use ChatGPT as a tool, not a shortcut. Edit the content. Add your style. Add value. Tool number 2 is Canva AI, free. What if I tell you that in 2025, design skills are no longer required to make money online? You don't need Photoshop. You don't need years of experience. You don't even need a laptop. All you need is Canva AI. Canva AI is one of the most underrated money-making tools right now, and people are quietly earning hundreds to thousands of dollars using it. Let's break it down. Why Canva AI is a game changer in 2025. Canva AI allows anyone to create professional designs in minutes, generate layouts using AI, design on mobile or PC, use ready-made templates. Even beginners can create designs that look like they were made by professionals. That's why businesses, YouTubers, and influencers are constantly looking for Canva designers. 1. Make money by designing YouTube thumbnails. With Canva AI, you can generate thumbnail layouts, add bold text, use high center colors, design in under 10 minutes. How to earn. Sell thumbnail services on Fiverr. Charge per thumbnail or monthly packages. Target small and growing YouTube channels. Even $5 per thumbnail can turn into a solid monthly income. 2. Social media content creation. High demand. Every business wants to post daily on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, LinkedIn, but most don't have time to design posts. Canva AI helps you create post designs in bulk, match brand colors automatically, generate captions with AI. How to earn. Monthly social media management, content packs for small businesses, Instagram carousel designs. 3. Print on demand without inventory. You don't need stock. You don't need shipping. Canva AI lets you design t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, phone cases. You upload your designs to print-on-demand platforms, and when someone buys, they print and ship. You just collect profit. Simple, scalable, powerful. 4. Sell digital products using Canva AI. Digital products are pure profit. With Canva AI, you can create planners, journals, checklists, workbooks, Instagram templates. You design once and sell forever. Platforms to sell: Etsy, Gumroad, PayHip. Many beginners make their first online dollar using Canva digital products. Big mistake beginners make: don't just use random templates. Successful designers pick one niche. YouTubers, coaches, businesses. Create consistent styles. Focus on value, not beauty. Tool number 3 is Pictory AI free trial. What if you could run a YouTube channel, create viral videos, and earn money online without ever showing your face or recording your voice? Sounds impossible? In 2025, it's not just possible, it's common. And one of the biggest reasons behind this trend is Pictory AI. Pictory AI is a powerful tool that turns simple text into professional videos in minutes. Let's see how this tool can become a serious income generator for you. Why Pictory AI is perfect for beginners. Most people don't start online because they are camera shy, hate editing, don't have time. Its use for 1. Start a faceless YouTube channel. This is the most powerful use of Pictory AI. You can create channels about finance and money tips, motivation, facts and education, stories and documentaries. How it works: 1. Write script using ChatGPT. 2. Paste into Pictory. 3. Generate video. 4. Add AI voice. 5. Upload to YouTube. This method is being used for ad revenue, affiliate marketing, brand deals. One video can keep earning for years. 2. Create shorts and reels in bulk. Short-form content is dominating 2025. Pictory AI can turn long scripts into shorts, auto-add captions, create vertical videos. You can upload to YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, TikTok. More platforms equals more income opportunities. 3. Offer video creation services. Many people want videos but don't know how to make them. With Pictory AI, you can sell explainer videos, promo videos, educational content, reels for businesses, sell services on Fiverr, Upwork, direct outreach. Even beginners can charge 20-100 per video. 4. Repurpose content for passive income. One script equals many videos. You can turn blog posts into videos, convert podcasts into visuals, repurpose old YouTube content. This saves time and multiplies output, which is key for scaling income. Common mistake to avoid: don't upload boring scripts. Pictory AI makes videos, but you control the story. Use strong hooks, simple language, clear value. AI tools work best when guided by human creativity. Tool number 4 is ElevenLabs free plan. ElevenLabs is best for generate voice. Most people avoid YouTube or content creation because they don't like their voice. They fear recording. They lack equipment. ElevenLabs removes all of that. With just text, you can generate professional voiceovers, emotional storytelling voices, clear educational narration. And yes, there is a free plan to get started. Ways to make money using ElevenLabs. YouTube automation. Use ElevenLabs voice for finance videos, horror stories, facts channels, motivation. Pair it with AI visuals and scripts, and build a passive income channel. Voiceover services. Many creators need voiceovers but can't afford studios. You can sell AI voiceovers on Fiverr, Upwork, social media. Even beginners charge 10-50 per project. Audiobooks and reels. Turn text into audiobooks, shorts, or reels. More content, more platforms, more income. Important tip: don't sound robotic. Adjust speed, emotion, tone. Natural voices keep viewers engaged and improve watch time. Tool number 5 is Grammarly AI. Turn better writing into better online income in 2025. In 2025, writing is money. Emails sell products. Scripts get views, posts attract clients. But bad grammar and unclear sentences can kill your income, and that's where Grammarly AI becomes powerful. Grammarly AI is more than a grammar checker. It's a writing assistant that helps you sound professional, even if English is not your first language. Why Grammarly AI is a must-have tool. Many people lose clients not because they lack skills, but because their writing looks unprofessional. Grammarly AI helps you fix grammar instantly, improve sentence clarity, adjust tone, professional, friendly, persuasive, rewrite content for better engagement. And yes, you can start for free. Ways to make money using Grammarly AI. Freelance writing and editing. Use Grammarly AI to offer blog writing, article rewriting, proofreading services. Clients pay more for clean, error-free content. Email and copywriting. Businesses need sales emails, marketing messages, customer replies. Grammarly helps you write messages that sound confident and trustworthy, which increases conversion. Content creation and YouTube scripts. Better writing, better watch time. Use Grammarly to polish YouTube scripts, shorts captions, video descriptions. This directly improves growth and monetization. Common mistake to avoid. Don't rely on Grammarly alone. Use it to improve, not replace your thinking. Your ideas matter. Grammarly just makes them sharper. Tool number 6 is Leonardo AI. Turn AI images into digital income in 2025. In 2025, images sell faster than words. Thumbnails, ads, products, social posts. Everything online needs eye-catching visuals, and you no longer need design skills or expensive software. All you need is Leonardo AI. Leonardo AI is a powerful AI image generator that lets you create high-quality visuals free and turn them into real online income. Why Leonardo AI is a big opportunity. Traditional design takes time, skill, and money. Leonardo AI changes the game. With simple text prompts, you can generate stunning thumbnails, digital art, product mock-ups, social media visuals, and it works perfectly even for beginners. Ways to make money using Leonardo AI. YouTube thumbnails and visuals. High center thumbnails, more views. Use Leonardo AI to create bold faces, dramatic scenes, eye-catching backgrounds. Sell thumbnail services, or use them on your own channels. Digital products and Etsy sales. Create wall art, posters, journal covers, printable designs. Upload to Etsy or Gumroad and earn passive income. Print-on-demand business. Use AI art on t-shirts, hoodies, phone cases, mugs. No inventory, no shipping, just profit. Important tip: don't generate random images. Successful sellers choose one niche, maintain a style, create designs that solve problems or emotions. Consistency builds trust and sales. Final tool number 7 is Notion AI free version. In 2025, people don't fail because they lack ideas, they fail because they lack systems. That's where Notion AI becomes a hidden money-making tool. Notion AI is not just for note-taking. It helps you plan, organize, automate, and package information, and yes, you can turn that into real online income. Why Notion AI is so powerful. Notion AI can generate content ideas, create structured plans, summarize information, build workflows automatically. This makes it perfect for creators, freelancers, students, and online entrepreneurs. And the best part? You can start using Notion AI for free. Ways to make money using Notion AI. Sell Notion templates. People pay for productivity planners, content calendars, finance trackers, study and habit templates. Create once, sell forever. That's passive income. Freelance productivity services. Many people struggle with organization. You can offer workspace setup, business dashboards, content planning systems. Charge monthly or per project. Digital products and coaching. Use Notion AI to create online planners, digital workbooks, coaching resources. Big mistake to avoid: don't make complicated templates. Simple, clean, easy-to-use systems sell much better than complex ones. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe.